This is braised pork belly, tender, glossy and falling apart. Most people think you need to boil it first, blanch it, use 3 pots. You don't need any of that. 1 pan, a few ingredients, and the hardest part is waiting. Start with pork belly, boneless, skin on, about 1 kilogram. Thick cut, well marbled. That fat is going to melt into the sauce and make everything better. First, check the skin for hairs. Scrape across the surface with a knife. A lighter works too, whatever you have. Cut into slices about 2 cm thick, then into cubes. Same size. Uniform size means everything cooks at the same rate. Some pieces will start falling apart during cooking. That's fine, doesn't change the taste. Place the meat in a bowl. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, Chinese cooking wine, and massage it in. Same trick from the crispy pork belly video, it removes any unwanted smell before the meat hits the heat. Get your pan very hot, no oil, the belly has enough fat. Sear on all sides until deep brown. Not grey, not pale, brown. This is the Maillard reaction. The surface caramelizes and creates flavor the braising liquid cannot replicate. Skip this step and the dish tastes flat, don't skip it. While the meat sears, slice your ginger. Skin on, no need to peel, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. The skin holds moisture and flavor longer in a braise. Belly brown, transfer it out. If the pan has rendered a lot of fat, strain most of it. Leave about 1 tablespoon. Ginger in first, medium heat, 30 seconds until it starts releasing into the fat. 4 garlic cloves crushed flat in with the ginger. You want the aroma, not color. Burnt garlic is bitter and it follows the dish all the way to the plate. Green onions, white parts in now, cut into larger pieces. Save the greens for the finish. The whites handle heat, the greens are for freshness at the end. Let them color slightly. Then push everything to the side. Add the sugar directly to the cleared space, 20 to 40 grams, depending on how sweet you want it. Mix it into the aromatics, work quickly. Soak shiitake mushrooms in. I soaked these in warm water earlier, along with all the soaking water. Don't throw that away. It's concentrated mushroom flavor and it goes straight into your braising liquid. Now the sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. This is what gives the dish its color. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Meat back in. Coat every piece, nothing sitting dry. Water or chicken stock until everything is just submerged. Bring it to a simmer and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Stir regularly so everything cooks evenly from top to bottom. Around 30 minutes, test a piece, chopstick or fork. If it goes in without resistance, it's ready. If there's still push, give it 10 more minutes. You can always add a little water and keep going. When it's tender, remove the lid and reduce the sauce. This concentrates everything, sweetness, soy, mushroom, into a glaze that clings to everything. Serve over steamed rice. Green onion greens on top, sesame seeds if you want them. Braised pork belly, 1 pan, no boiling, no complicated techniques, just time and heat. If you made this, let me know in the comments. Did it fall apart the way it should? And if you haven't seen the crispy pork belly video, it's linked in the description. Subscribe for more recipes. See you next time.